an exciting thing arrived in the post today. So this is JitterTed's TDD game. TDD as in test-driven development. Look, it's got a proper box and everything. What does that say? Ages 10 plus. Amazing. 1 to 6 players. So the great thing about this is you can play it on your own. So that means I don't have to find people to play with. I'm sure I could find people to play with if I tried, but it's easier to just play it on my own. So I will be doing that soon. I'm not exactly sure when. Maybe at the weekend, because that's how much of a geek I am. But look how well put together it is. And I know Ted. He's a friend of mine, and we've talked about it a lot. And he and I are collaborating on a course for O'Reilly at the moment. And we've pitched this to some conferences to run a workshop to play the game. And I am going to be taking it with me to Socrates UK later this year. I think that's in September. But it's just fantastic. Look, it's got proper pieces and a dice and little tokens and special stickers. I don't know if the stickers are part of the game or just because people like stickers. I'm guessing they're part of the game. I don't know. And there, just look at this. It's got hexagonal pieces, so you can like fit them together on the board. And you have to predict whether you think tests will pass or not. So it's using the predictive method of test-driven development. Here's a thing to tell you how to set the board up. What does this say? Write code. So test compiles. To exit play, write code. Or skip to card 6. I haven't played this game yet, so I only half know what half of this stuff means. This is me unboxing. I've never made an unboxing video before. Write code for feature. Predict test will fail to compile. Oh, that's a good one. And then, what's this? There's all these cards. What kind of things are written on these cards? It's such good quality. He's designed all of this and got it all properly printed by proper game manufacturers and everything. It's just brilliant. So what does this say? This says, this card is required to be in play before you can play a predict card. This card can be combined with one or more less code cards. Oh, less code. To improve your chance of a successful prediction when you run tests. Oh, look, there's commits. Here's a predict card. You predict that running the tests will not compile, fail in a specific way, or pass as expected. In order to play this card, a write code card must be in play. What I love about all of this is it's all about test-driven development and writing code, but you don't actually have to write code to play the game. Ted reckons he's had people playing it who don't even know anything about code and still enjoyed playing it. So I am very much looking forward to playing this game. And that's it, really.